In this video, I'll show you how to remove comments on your Facebook posts quickly using your phone. If someone leaves an unwanted comment on your post, you can delete it in just a few taps using the Facebook mobile app. This method works on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile and find the post with the comment you want to remove. Tap on the comment section to view all comments. Find the comment you want to delete. On Android, tap the three dots next to the comment. On iPhone, swipe left on the comment to reveal options. Tap Delete and confirm. The comment will be removed immediately. If you want to remove multiple comments, repeat these steps for each one. That's how you quickly and easily remove comments on your Facebook posts from your mobile app. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Facebook and mobile tutorials.